course she does. Okay, remember cereal take 1? Here is cereal take 2. She eats like a champion now. Don't you, Big Boo? She's fascinated with her feet.
Look how thick that was.
And she's getting it everywhere.
What a baby.
Come here, Boo Boo, look.
What a baby girl.
I mean, she is getting it done. Look at you, you're a champion eater now.
Good job. Uh-oh.
Say hello. Let's see, Brother Nick.
Look at Mr. Biggs.
Nicholas.
Say hello.
Cheese. Click.
Take a pic.
Hey, Daddy.
Nick.